Hello everyone, welcome back to Khmerue team official channel. In this video tutorial tips, I will take you how to find your Wi-Fi password inside your PC device if you forgot it or you didn't remember it before. So this is the solution that can help you to find it back, to get it back to your Wi-Fi password. First, we need to go to this start menu here and then type in CMD, and then here you can right click on that and select this one, run as administrator, and then click this one. When the CMD command prompt is appearing like this, so you need to enter some script code to that, and this time we're gonna add some code here by typing as you seen here. So now I'm gonna type sh space okay, space equal here and this one, and then we're gonna hit enter, and we see something that look like this. And here is the interface profile that have been saved to the wireless network connection successfully. And now we're going to find this destination folder that's called wireless network connection profile here. So to find it, for the Windows, when it is completely different way between the destination folder that have been saved your Wi-Fi password. So as you can see here, the interface profile that's called name, this name, it have been saved to the wireless network connection folder. This means it is saved to the place in the folder that's called this one. So to find it back, you need to right click on the Wi-Fi icon here and select Open Network and Sharing Center. So click on that, and this time we're gonna select on the first one that's called Manage Wireless Network here. So click on that, and here is the name that we just already saved it. So double click on that and select on security here, and then click on show, and here is your Wi-Fi password inside the Windows 7 PC. So thank you guys for watching my video tutorial, and see you on the next video that I'm going to take you the different ways between forgot Wi-Fi password again. So thank you for watching.